Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will discuss about how to make a library in the EndNote. So for that, EndNote should be installed in your laptop, and be sure that your EndNote software that may be X6, that may be X7, that doesn't matter, but that should be registered. Why it should be registered? Because when it is not registered, then the limit is only 10 references per library, and you can't make a library with the references more than 10 references. When it is registered, then you can make up to 1000 libraries in a 1000 references in a single library. So let's visit towards that software. So for that you have to search EndNote, double click on that, and if you have already a library, um, then it will be open directly. But if you are new and you are new to this software and you don't have any library earlier, so it will be look like here. It will appear like a gray screen. It will be it will appear like this gray screen. So we will click on the file, then on the new. If you already have libraries, so you can open from here. But you are new, so click on the new and find your destination. Let it make it on the desktop, and you can rename your library from here. My new, I can name it my new. I will save it, and it will be now open. So this is your library with the name my new, and you can now add references from different websites, from different databases to this library. In the next lecture we will discuss that how to export the references from the library to the world, as well as how to import references from different databases into the EndNote library. Thank you so much.